History, chapter 14. The fort is captured, but the lion is dead. So, we are going to learn and understand which fort was captured and who is known as the lion in this chapter. So, let us begin. Points to be discussed: Jizamata's wish, Tanaji Malusare, Kondana's marriage first, Tanaji's plan, over the precipice and into the fort. The fort is captured, but the lion is dead. Kondana was named as Sinhagad. So the first point is Jizamata's wish. Explanation: though Shivaji had 23 forts, still it was under the power of Mughals. Jizamata and Shivaji was planning to recapture Kondana. It was not an easy task. They were thinking, to whom shall the task be given to accomplish? So I hope this point is clear to you. Next point, Tanaji Malusare. About Tanaji Malusare, he was the comrade of Shivaji from beginning. Comrade means follower. He was working for Shivaji from the very beginning. He is from Umrathe village near Mahad in Konkan. He is ever ready to put his heart and soul to any work given by Shivaji. Now, how was his appearance? He was very strong, well built, clever, and brave. Shivaji used to call him lion hearted brave man. Lion hearted brave man. He was very devoted to Shivaji. He was very faithful to Shivaji. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Next one, Kondana's marriage first. Explanation: Tanaji Malusare was busy in doing preparations for his son's wedding. Hardly 4 days was left. So he decided to go and give special invitation to Shivaji and Ma Sahib, that is Jizamata. Shelar Mama took Tanaji to Shivaji and Ma Sahib. He gave the invitation to them and requested them to come to the wedding. Shivaji said to Shelar Mama, Mama, you can go to the wedding. I will lead the campaign for the recapture of Kondana. As soon as Tanaji heard this, Tanaji said, Maharaj, are you going to accomplish this task alone when I am here? I am still alive, so I will lead the campaign. I shall perform the marriage of Kondana first by capturing it for you. Raiba's wedding can wait. Allow me to lead the campaign. Give me your blessings for my success. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point. What was Tanaji's plan? Explanation: Tanaji took the charge of the Kondana campaign and left to Kondana fort. Kondana was under the control of Uday Bhan. He was a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. Now let us see some information about Uday Bhan. Uday Bhan was a disciplined and vigilant officer, loyal officer, faithful officer. Ethics, he has lot of ethics. He was very faithful servant. He was a very good officer. Now let us see some information about Kondana. Kondana had 2 entrances. Both the entrance was heavily guarded, strongly guarded by Uday Bhan's guard. Tanaji thought, how can he attack the fort with high security? So what did he do? So he decided to go around Kondana fort to see if there is any way to enter. Finally, he got a small steep on the western side. There were no guards. Tanaji decided to attack from the steep precipice. Meaning of precipice, a small rock mountain or a cliff. He explained this plan to his younger brother Suryaji. He asked Suryaji to bring 500 troops and try to reach the Kalyan gate. With another 200 troops, Tanaji will enter the steep precipice, that is, Tanaji will enter the cliff and get inside the fort. In this way, this plan was decided that they will defeat the Mughal troop after entering. Suryaji and Tanaji finalized this plan. In this way, they went in different ways to prepare for the attacks. So students, I hope this point is also clear to you. Let us see the next point. Over the precipice and into the fort. Explanation is here. It was at night. Tanaji and his men enter, decided to gather at the foot of the cliff. Everywhere it was quiet. Only the sound of the night insect, cricket. Yes, you heard it right. Cricket is the name of an insect. 5 to 6 members started climbing the rock cliff. It was very hard, very difficult, and very dangerous as the rock was very slippery. Somehow they managed to climb slowly, and finally they reached the top of the cliff. They tied the rope to a strong tree and threw the rope down the cliff. Other troop members climbed the cliff by holding the ropes like monkeys. In this way, everybody got on the top of the precipice. So, students, I hope this point is also clear to you. Let us see the next point. Tanaji's valor. Valor means to have great courage in the battlefield, to have great courage to face the danger. Explanation is here. Suryaji reached the Kalyan gate. He was waiting for the doors to open. The battle on the fort began. Udayabhan heard the attack. The battle drum was alarmed. Udayabhan's army attacked Tanaji's army. A big battle was going on in the darkness of the night. The Mawlas opened the door of the Kalyan gate. In this way, Suryaji also entered. Now, Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Not the less, Udayabhan attacked him. He was also very strong and brave. Both of them were attacking each other. We will never know that who is going to win. Such a battle was going on. Tanaji's shield was broken, so he tied a garment on his left hand to defend himself. At last, what happened? Both of the warriors were injured badly and they died on the battlefield. So, students, I hope this point is also clear to you. Let us see the next point. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Now, you might have came to know that who is the lion. Yes, the lion is none other than Tanaji Malusare, and the fort which was captured is, which is going to captured is Kondana fort. So, the explanation is here. With the death of Tanaji, the Mawlas found themselves without a leader. So, they were planning to withdraw from the battle. At that time, Suryaji arrived on the scene. He cut off the ropes from which Mawlas climbed the mountain. He shouted. He said, "You don't have a leader, but you must feel ashamed to run away. Huh? You have two choices, either fight and die or jump from the cliff and die, as I have cut off the rope from which you have climbed." So the Mawlas returned to the battlefield. They attacked the enemy. At last, Mawlas won the battle. Kondana was captured. Now in this battle, they lost the lion-hearted, the brave warrior Tanaji Malusare. Jizamata and Shivaji heard about Tanaji's death. They were shocked. They were sad. Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sorrow in one sentence. He said, "The fort is captured but the lion is dead." So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point. How Kondana became Sinhagad. Yes, Kondana was named as Sinhagad in the memory of this strong lion-hearted warrior Tanaji Malusare by Shivaji Maharaj. This incident took place in the year 1670. Shivaji Raje personally went to Umrathe village and performed Raiba's wedding. Thank you.